abduction of Dr. Peter Magombeyi, JRMO, Harare Central Hospital, acting president, LHDH. The above matter refers. The purpose of this communique is to clearly outline the pertinent issues surrounding the abduction of our colleague, Dr. Peter Magombeyi. Dr. Magombeyi is the acting president of the Zimbabwean Hospital Doctors Association. This organization represents junior and middle-level practitioners, excluding specialists, nationwide. The ZHDA declared the incapacitation of its membership on the 3rd of September 2019. Their demand was the review of the on-call allowance at the prevailing interbank rate. The specialist doctors are bringing to the fore the current deficiencies of the health delivery system that are affecting all levels of health personnel. The work environment in which we are working has become a health hazard. The incapacitation of the health delivery system involves A, inadequate drugs for in-hospital treatment, intensive care unit treatment, and adequate theatre utilization. B, inadequate hospital sundries, such as gloves, dressings, and intravenous infusions. C, obsolete equipment in theatres, intensive care unit, high dependency unit, casualty, and outpatients department. D, dilapidated laboratory equipment and absence of key reagents to run even the most basic laboratory tests, for instance, full blood count, liver and kidney function test, clotting screen, culture and sensitivity for bacteria. E, poor obsolete radiological equipment which is seldom available to make critical diagnosis. And F, inadequate services for cancer treatment. So, headings, abduction. Dr. Peter Magombeyi was abducted on Saturday, the 14th of September at approximately 2200 hours. This was after he had highlighted concerns of constant threats and harassment which he believed were coming from state agents. Dr. Peter Magombeyi's abduction came as a shock to the entire medical fraternity. Consequences. A formal report was made to the ZRP Budiriro RB number 408-5997. The whole medical fraternity, after nationwide consultations, decided to withdraw the provision of all medical and surgical services from all government hospitals. Daily vigil meetings are being held for the safe return of Dr. Peter Magombeyi. Daily solidarity meetings urging the government to find and return Dr. Peter Magombeyi safely. We recognize that our actions are affecting the sick and afflicted population of Zimbabwe. However, it is the government's sole responsibility to provide adequate health care and safety for its citizenry, including health professionals. So far, we have received support for Dr. Magombeyi's safe return from the Zimbabwean Nurses Association, Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights, and the public at large, religious organizations, and the civil society. We therefore demand the government of Zimbabwe is mandated with ensuring the safety of all its citizens. We therefore demand the immediate, unconditional, and safe return of Dr. Peter Magombeyi. Following his release, a parliamentary inquiry should be commissioned to look into the improvement of both the welfare of health professionals and the safety of the work environment as mentioned above. All relevant details will be furnished upon the release of Dr. Peter Magombeyi. We would also like to mention that as health professionals, we are being threatened by security elements. Both nurses and doctors are regularly being told that resisting what the government offers them will result in their death. Evidence for the threats is available in audio and text messages. Attached are the signatures and names of those who are in support of the above document. Thank you.